besties and holiday girlies, let's be real, Christmas decorating is so fun, but sometimes can also feel repetitive, which is why today I'm going to do a challenge of using eufy lights to decorate my house in 5 ways. Trust me, these lights are about to level up your holiday vibe, and the best part, they're totally customizable. You can tweak brightness, set timers, or mix up patterns of light right from your phone. No messy wires or complicated setups. Okay, let's jump into the 5 ways I'm using them to make my home feel like a winter wonderland. First up, wrapping the Christmas tree. This one is a definitely classic, but eufy lights take it to the next level. Now, let's dive into the good stuff, Christmas vibes. These lights have that warm, cozy glow that makes your tree look like it's straight out of a Hallmark movie. They're thin enough to wrap tightly around branches without weighting them down. And since they're LED, they won't overheat. Second, stringing along the eaves and the window frames. This is where the magic really happens. Because we're combining 2 amazing UV lights features, let's talk about the color option first. You can switch between warm white, cool white, or even multicolor with a tap on the eufy app. Want a traditional look? Okay, stick with warm white, feeling festival, then go for the red and the green. But the best part, the music sync function. Here's how to set it up in 3 easy steps. First one, open the eufy app and connect your lights. Secondly, tap Music Sync and select your favorite holiday playlist. The last one, adjust the sensitivity so that the light pulse and flash along with the beat. Okay, right now, when people drive by my house, they'll see my eaves and windows glowing in time with Christmas tunes. Totally showstopper. Third, lining the garden pathway. If you have guests coming over, this is a game changer for curb appeal, and durability is the key here. UV lights are built tough. They're weatherproof, so rain, snow, or frost won't damage them. I bury the wires slightly under the gravel path, and they stay put even when the wind blows. They're bright enough to light the way without blinding anyone, so your guests can safely walk from the driveway to your door while feeling like they're walking through a magical forest. No more tripping over dark pathways, plus, they add a cozy glow that leads right to your front door. Fourth, wrapping around garden decor and bushes. I have this little cute reindeer figurines and some evergreen bushes in my garden, and wrapping UV light around them ties everything together. The lights are flexible, so you can bend them around the reindeer's antlers or weave them through bush branches. It turns random garden decor into focal points. Now, my reindeer looks like they're prancing through a glowing forest. The bushes feel like they're part of the holiday scene instead of just some background greenery. Fifth, drape over backyard tree branches. Let's take the festival vibe to the backyard too. I hang UV lights from the big oak tree in my yard, and it's like having ceiling of stars. The lights are long enough to cover large branches, and since they're very lightweighted, they don't damage the tree. At night, my backyard feels like a cozy outdoor living space, perfect for late night chats or even a small bonfire. It extends the holiday cheers beyond the house and makes my whole property feel cohesive. There you have it, 5 Christmas decor ideas with UV light. Versatile, durable, easy to use, and huge holiday deal. The UV permanent outdoor light S4 is 42% off, now $499.99. Customizable with music sync, total steals. Tried UV lights? Got creative decor tips? Drop a comment. Happy decorating! Merry Christmas!